Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video we will be comparing gentle snow foam from a Koch Chemie to an Autoshampoo also from a Koch Chemie. So for starters, both of these products are absolutely amazing at what they do. Gentle snow foam is pH 7.5, so it's pH neutral, and yeah, it's very gentle on the car. It doesn't strip away any waxes or coatings or stuff like this. So yeah, very gentle. On the other side, the Autoshampoo, it's pH, I believe, 9. Yeah, it's pH 9, so it's much more stronger and it will kind of clean better, but it also will strip away waxes and stuff like this. So they have different purposes in auto detailing, like I said. So yeah, in this video I will kind of go over it, when should you use one and when the other, so that you will know the correct times to use the Autoshampoo and also the gentle snow foam. So let's say that you are washing your car once per 2 months, let's say. Then you would pick the Autoshampoo. Why wouldn't you pick the gentle snow foam, you may ask? Well, because in 2 months, if your car isn't stored in a garage of some sort, will pick up so much debris that this just won't cut it, in my opinion, of course. If you hit the car with the pre-wash and then with this, it might work, but it also couldn't work. Like I said, the Autoshampoo is much more aggressive in pH, so it will kind of loosen that debris much more easier. And both of these products are safe for contact wash and also for snow foam cannon application. So yeah, the way I would do it is pre-wash the car with some Green Star or your pre-wash, and then I would heat it with the Autoshampoo. I would firstly foam the car and then just rinse it off, and then I would follow with the contact wash as well. And then obviously I would preferably wax the car, but that's up to the client or up to me. Nowadays you can wax the car very quickly. Koch Chemie sells the protector wax, which is applied by snow foam cannon, so it's very easy. So like I said, if you're washing your car once per 2 months, then pick this guy up. But I would say that where gentle snow foam really shines is if you have regular customers and stuff like this, or even if you're washing your car every 2 weeks. And let's say that you washed your car with the pre-wash, with the Autoshampoo, and then you waxed your whole car, and in 2 weeks you will wash it again. Well, then you would pick this guy up. Why? Because this guy won't strip away any waxes. It will still foam grade, it will still give you an amazing deep clean, but it won't strip away any kind of waxes. It's pH neutral. So yeah, if you're cleaning cars every 2 weeks, or you have customers that kind of every 3 to 2 weeks gives you a car to clean, then I would pick a gentle snow foam. But yeah guys, you won't go wrong with neither of them. Both of these products are very great. It just depends on what kind of cleans do you do and how often do you do it. So let's say that the car is very dirty, then you would pick this guy up, because you won't have to scrub as much as if you pick this guy up. So yeah, if you get a very dirty car and you would go over with this one, it might take you a while. You will have to scrub kind of a little bit more. But yeah, other than that, both of these products are great. Both of them clean very good. It's just that this guy, Autoshampoo, is a little bit more stronger in pH, therefore a little bit kind of has a more cleaning power to it, and this guy is more gentle, so if you wax your car 2 weeks ago, go with this one. But yeah, like I said, this guy is for maintenance washes and this guy here is for more dirty cars, and that's kind of the whole difference between the two of them. But yeah guys, I hope that you liked my comparison. If you did, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in another one guys. Bye!